Welcome to Sawdust and Wood today. Today I'm going to be showing y'all a Glowforge I bought. It's a laser cutter. Glowforge did not send it to me. I paid for it with my own money. So there'll be a code below. If anyone's interested in buying one, you get $500 off and then they give me $500. And if you buy one and get your code out and the same thing happens and it applies. But check out some of the cool stuff I made. I'm gonna show you the laser cutting a recipe that my wife's grandmother, she's German, and they have a recipe from her and she engraved it in a piece of wood. And just check out how good it comes out. And then I'll show you a couple other things I made. And if y'all got any questions, anything, post them below. Please like and share the video. Y'all have a great day.